Yeah, here's the dude. Last time you saw him, he was a little different. I'll go through some of the upgrades that have happened since then. One of them being rock sliders. So welded those onto the frame, and they greatly helped in Mason, wheeling up the Lone Star, Land Cruiser. There's no carpet right now because I need to sound deaden the floor because we pulled the hump to swap the transmission and T-case last week, and so those are freshly rebuilt. I lost second gear while wheeling in Mason. Also, I don't know if I'd had a roof rack. Yeah, I didn't have a roof rack at that point, so that's been nice. Carrying surfboards, kayaks, what have you. Recently picked that roof tin up. Most of the stuff was covered in the first video where I just jammed out to wean, but I guess I'll go over that stuff again. So I bought this cruiser two Augusts ago, August 2019. Today is April 24th, 2021, and August 28th, so basically the next month. It had no engine, so I bought a 2F in Austin, resealed it with OEM stuff, shaved the head 70 thou, desmogged it, city racer carb, recurved the distributor myself. So rebuilt engine, rebuilt trans, rebuilt T-case. Need to do the knuckle rebuild tomorrow actually for next week, which is the Lone Star Toyota Jamboree. Going wheeling in. I have a bad axle seal. It leaks out axle juice when in 4x4. But yeah, I guess this is what you get for 1,500 bucks. Well, no, this isn't what you get. This is what you get for like a lot more, but I'm very happy with this thing. It's my favorite vehicle ever. I don't know how much I have into it yet, but I will not sell it. So nice new OEM FJ62 mirrors, out of date tags, and now it's a home. So what more could you want? I guess just comment if you want to know more about this thing. I'll put the build thread, which covers most stuff, in the description of this video. I just figured I'd shoot a little walk around when it's nice out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Yoda stuff.
That's steering right there. You're good. Don't let it go past you.
Input driver.
Driver, find it.
Papa B.
Slower. Make your own line. Start working passenger very slowly. Passenger. Alright, now cut passenger, yeah.
Did you get some film like this?
More passenger?
Well, I think mine was so obvious you didn't have to fucking do this.
I think that input's okay.
What are you doing? Filming my filming? Filming my photography skills? Alright.
That's good. Oh, I don't like this at all. That's good. Whoa, you're good. You're good. You're good.
Boy, someone has to take a picture of that.
Huh? That's what?
There you go. There you go. Passenger.
Alright, any objection that that's the sickest thing we've seen all weekend?
Nope, that was pretty sick. Hey, look, there's nowhere to go.
Yeah, like
Passenger. Passenger. Oh, I don't like this at all. Passenger. Slow. You're good. You're good.
I got that on video.
That was on video.
I got this on video.
Dang.
More passenger. More passenger. There you go. Nice and slow. Please lean on me. I like this, man. There we go. Passenger.
'60 absolutely shredded this weekend. Now we just have to make the 5-hour drive home and unpack all this wet, muddy camping gear.